For the smoke one, just to add a little bit extra polish to it or change, just want to make sure you have a few more ideas of where you can take it. If you were to use this one and you go back to your, for instance, we'll do two things with it. If you want to make a similar smoke but you wanted to make it move a little bit more, then you can always change your angular velocity. For instance, on this one, let's open up our editor here. If you go to your angular velocity, you could also change this one to a full 180 in terms of the negative 180 to positive 180, which is essentially just giving you a full circle going around it. So we could take it from here all the way down to here, and what you should notice is that you're going to have the particles are going to be turning even more faster and quicker. And then the last part about this one is that you can also take up the force, which is one of the things we set down, but you can also take it back up if you'd like to make it a little bit more. The force over lifetime we had set to 0.1, but you could also take this one up to about a 1. Let's see how high this goes here. Yeah, a little bit high. I think I might even, I don't know if I would take it up that high. Might take it up to around 0.4, 0.5, yeah. Somewhere around there. That ought to give you, still kind of give you a solid smoke at the bottom, but then also give you a nice little range going upwards. Alright, so just another way that you can make the smoke one, where you can make it and kind of create a different feel to it.